Alright, this is 24 hours after spraying. Got a little wiltiness. The crabgrass up here, it's got a little purple hue. We've already got some whitening in this section. Some more whitening. Go back over to where there's some real grass. More whitening there. And then it's kind of hard to see in this light. There's a little strip here. It's a little bit lighter than everything else because I actually used that as a test the day before I sprayed, so it's a little bit further along. I think I did a pretty good job of blocking the overspray. There's a very noticeable difference of color change right there. Got some striping and drying up there. And this patch had a lot of moss. But it's looking like most of the major sections are being affected, so that's good. Probably check back in tomorrow or the next day, see if we have any more results. We're now at 48 hours post spray, and we are looking good. And there's the line that is actually a day ahead where I did the test strip. So that's what things should look like tomorrow. We'll get it. Just gotta be patient and keep waiting. Alright, this is Thursday night. It's actually getting ready to storm. Probably rain, they say up to about an inch maybe. Looking pretty good on the kill. I think there's some spots, might go over again. Got a nice green patch there. And there's one strip or so down there. Could use a couple spots of more application, maybe. Sometimes people say let it go for a week or so. But other than that, mostly a really good job. So maybe the rain will help kickstart some things, see if we got any extra weeds that are going to grow, and I can do it again and get what's left. It's Friday afternoon. Sprayed on Sunday. I just did another application on some spots that were still green. Did that a couple hours ago now. There's a spot I missed there. Or it could have grown in, who knows. And there's a little strip down there. We're looking good. It is supposed to storm. I said that yesterday. There's 90% chance of an inch of rain, and it split right over our county and disappeared. But there's a wall of water coming tonight, so we'll get something. We are at day 6. Tomorrow will be 1 week of spraying. Yesterday I did a little application of some spots I missed, and that's going really well. We are looking good.